As I start my testing, I'm going to use Microsoft's open source Phi4 14B model. This chart shows that Microsoft is aiming for high quality output with minimal resource usage, which we will see during this testing. Don't worry, I'll get to DeepSeek shortly and will show a comparison with a total of 3 models in this video. To start this testing, I've clicked on FoxPro script val 299. I've selected Ollama from the vendor menu, and I've selected Phi4 14B as the model I want to use. You can see that the Phi4 model is primarily using the GPUs, which improves performance. After a little less than 4 minutes, the script has been converted, and you can see the results in the converted script field. Let's look more closely at the results. At lines number 26 and 32, we see that parentheses were placed around the comparison statements as requested in the first training record. At line number 39, the starts with any method has been used as requested in the 4th training record. At line number 45, the is null or whitespace method has been used as requested in the 3rd training record. Additionally, the Phi4 model has created the starts with any method at the bottom of the converted script. And this is a nice bonus because we didn't specify that it had to create this method. The model inferred that we needed this method based upon the training record, so it created it for us automatically. Now I'm going to select the DeepSeek-R1 14B model to test the same script. You can see the 14B version of the model alternating between using the CPUs and GPUs. But here's the surprise. DeepSeek never finishes. It just runs for hours on this hardware configuration and doesn't complete. If I test the DeepSeek-R1 7B model with the same script, I actually get a result. You can see that this 7B version of the model is using both the CPUs and the GPUs. Let's look more closely at the results. First, the top-level method validate extra 299 hasn't been created, and this is not good. Lines number 3 and 9, we see that parentheses are put around the comparison statements as requested in the 1st training record. At line number 15, the starts with any method has not been used as requested in the 4th training record.